On behalf of the Kolkata Police and St. Paul's School, we invite you and for today's very important program on cybercrime. Cybercrime is on the increase, as you all know. Today, our chief guest is Mr. Hare IPS, who is at present the Deputy Commissioner of Kolkata Police Port Division. Mr. Pai had his school education from Chinmaya Vidyalaya and Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya in Pallakad, Kerala. They call it short form Pali. I think Pala, short form. And he is a graduate in B.Tech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Lal Bahadur Shastri College of Engineering in Kasargal 2006 and postgraduate M.Tech in Industrial Engineering and Management from RIT Kottayam, Kerala. And he has done his master's degree in Police Management from Osmania University in 2005. And he was one of the toppers in the UPSC examinations. He has held various posts at MDPO Arambagh, Additional SP Darjeeling, SP Kalimpong, DCP Special Task Force Kolkata Police, and now he is the DC board. And I was just going through his biography in the net. One thing which struck me was very good and emotional. Sir has said that society, the government has given us so much. Today we are IPS. So it is now our time to give back to the society. So such were his words. You can all see in the net. So today we are very glad and happy to have him as our chief guest, and he has come here in spite of all his very busy schedule. Thank you very much, sir, and welcome to our school. And thank you very much for arranging this program on cybercrime. And thank you to the principal, Sister Rosalie, who at this in a very short notice she told me that I want to conduct a program. I said okay, very good. And today is Doctor's Day, the National Doctor's Day, the birth and death anniversary of the legendary Virat Chandra Rai. So today is the Doctor's Day also, and very meaningful. So just one word I will tell you that this cybercrime you must listen to the program very carefully. You go home and you teach your parents also, because we are aged now. We don't know much about the laptop or the mobile, all these things. So each one should teach one, and you should be the harbinger of the Kolkata Police Cyber Division. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And I take this opportunity to wish sir on our behalf Happy Doctor's Day. So all of you